Hello. Andrew's the name, and education's my game.
And I'm Alyssa, and I don't play games.
Do you want to know what you need to do each year to keep your Certified Nursing Assistant or CNA license so you can continue to get paid on the Parent CNA program in Colorado?
CNAs in Colorado need to keep their licenses active and current by completing a minimum of 12 hours of continuing education or CE every year. CEUs are the credits you earn to keep your license active. You can earn CEUs by passing the CNA state exam. CEUs help you stay updated with the latest knowledge and skills in your field, making sure you're always providing the best care possible.
Voyager Home Healthcare is here for you! Voyager Home Healthcare is the highest paying, highest rated Parent CNA agency in Colorado. They have 24/7 customer service and would love to help you out with this process and answer any questions you may have. Call or text them today at 719-400-2222.